Welcome back to Sarai Morse's YouTube channel. So hey guys, I wanted to let you know that I got a brand new Subaru Legacy 2017 under 5,000 miles. Right now it's only sitting at 2,044 something miles, and I got it financed through a bank, Capital One, and so it is amazing. I love the car so much. It was the best thing that I could ever do for my credit, and buying a car and getting it financed through a bank and paying on it every month is the best way to build your credit fast. And so they are amazing when it comes to financing because I put a down payment of $16,000. Well, actually, so I put $16,000 down, and then I have to pay another like $16,000 to be like a full down payment, which is $2,500. But they were willing to work with me, and $16,000 was okay with them. So $2,500 is like a complete down payment. And so after that, after you put a down payment on it, they're gonna give you about 2 to 3 months to get that money in generating and saved up so you can start making your monthly payments every month on time. Don't pay extra, don't pay ahead, and don't pay late. Always pay on the day that you owe money, because this is going to build your credit. If you pay late, you're going to get docked points, and it will show on your credit that you were paid late. If you show that you always pay your payments on time, and I don't care, like, whoever is looking at your credit history is going to see this. Even when you go to buy a house or rent a place, they're going to see this type of information. They're going to see all of it. So it's best to pay on time so that when you go to do another financing for a house or some other type of thing, that they can see that you pay on time. They can see all your records, especially when you go to buy another big purchase. So if you don't have any credit and you're 18 years old and you're looking to get a brand new car, and I'm talking low mileage, good for the price, because I hear that people buy cars that are like already at 50,000 miles and they're paying 25 grand, and it's like, why would you buy a car at 50,000 miles unless you absolutely love it? But for 25 grand, that's a lot of money for the miles that it's already at. Depending on what type of car it is, maybe, but to be honest, in my opinion, that's a bad deal. A good deal would be low mileage for whatever year you're paying for, depending on the year. If it's like brand new, I could see that it's a $30,000 cars. $30,000 for 2021, like, that's understandable. If it's 2017, 2018, maybe 2019, and it's high mileage and you're paying 25 to 30 grand for a car that's not even like brand new, honestly, I would say that that is like a bad deal, in my opinion. But everyone has their own opinion about their car and what they like, so yeah, I can't say anything negative toward people who might like their car a certain brand and they absolutely like that car, they love it, and they have to have it. Like, that's on you, that's your finances, not mine. But anyway, point being said, what I'm saying is that you can get nice cars for low mileage for good prices, and if you have no credit, you can build your credit by taking out a car loan. Car loans are the fastest way to build your credit. And I'm telling you guys, I'm so happy that I got a new car. I worked super hard to get this new car, and I'm so happy. And I'm gonna tell you what, it was so scary the last 3 days of being a minor, because I was trying to get to work every day, and my car broke down on me like the last 3 days before I was gonna turn 18, and it was so scary because I didn't know what I was gonna do. I had no family to call. Like, obviously I have my mom and Josh, but they're not like really like super like lenient with letting me drive their car, and our time schedules are way off, so it wanted to work at all. So I had to call Uber the last 3 days of my life, and it worked out perfect. And I only paid like $6 and like 60 cents to like get dropped off, to get picked up, to get dropped off, to get picked up for 3 days. And honestly, Ubers actually can get like really expensive. And so I was just happy that I had that money sitting in my account, ready for when I turn 18. Thank gosh, only 3 days from turning 18. Because my mom, she will not co-sign for me on any loan. She does not do that. She wanted me to do it on my own. But I was just thinking, like, if my car broke down 30 days before I turn 18, like, what would she do? What would I do? Like, I would be wasting money practically on Uber for a whole month, and it would be like a complete waste of money because I would have to do it. Obviously, I would have to do it. That'd be the only way, because I would have to make that money. But anyway, I'm so thankful that it was on the last 3 days of me turning 18, because it was like a blessing. But I'm so blessed for how everything turned out and everything. My car broke down on me. It was so sad though. I didn't think it was gonna break down on me like that so soon. I thought that my car was like really good, and that, like, obviously I knew it was an older car. It was 2010, that Pontiac G6 that I told you guys about, that I bought, and for my first car. I'm so glad that was like my first car, because the reason why I'm so happy that was like my first car is because I had a lot of minor accidents, like bumping into stuff and like speeding, kind of, not like speeding, but I mean, I guess sometimes I did speed a little bit, but my braking was terrible. My timing is like really off sometimes because of the traffic, the way that it moves here. It's really like, you stop, you go, you stop, you go, you stop, you go, so like sometimes it's just like really irritating. And so anyway, your timing has to be perfect when it comes to driving here. You got to be at least, 500 feet within turning left or right. You need to be at least like 5 feet away from stopping from another car, especially like in traffic. You really want to be like a good distance from the car that you're at. Like, this is me, this is you, keep that distance so nobody gets hurt, nobody gets sandwiched. And yeah, because you never know when somebody's gonna bump into somebody else, hit that car, hit this car. Like, it happens here all the time, especially during busy days, busy hours. So it scares me definitely when all the cars are stopping on the highway, because I'm like, oh gosh, what's happening? Like, is someone getting sandwiched right now? Is traffic just slowing down like for a reason? Or like, it's so weird. And like, honestly, I could never tell what day or what time it's going to be super busy here, because honestly, there were days that I was out at like 3 o'clock and it was like rush hour. It wasn't even like time to be off from work. It wasn't like people were rushing to get to work. It was like everyone was just out at like 3. It was just so weird. But like, what's crazy is like nighttime here, like it's super like quiet and like empty. Like, there's like no cars out here in Mesa, in this area that I know of. I never like see like any cars out driving really. But yeah, it was just super awesome and such a blessing that I was only gonna turn 18 3 days away from turning 18. And that's why I say, guys, always have that emergency fund in your bank account, because you could go through something like I went through just now with like my car breaking down. And so yeah, like, it's just so important that you do this. But yeah, I'm so freaking happy with my new car, guys. I'm gonna take some trips to like some different locations. I don't know where yet, but I plan to bring a couple of friends. Hopefully we can get this like on YouTube. Hopefully they're down with recording and totally cool with it. If they're not, then it's fine, but I'll be recording me then talking to myself, I guess. But no, I want to get like some really beautiful like scenes and views and just, you know, live life a little bit. So yeah, guys, hey, thanks for always being here for me. Thanks for becoming like a part of my journey, my YouTube journey. Like, it's really amazing, and I hope that this video and that my story is super encouraging to you guys. And just know that if you're like a month away from turning 18, a few months from turning 18, or even a few days, and you're looking to get a car, just know that you can do it just like I did. All you need is that down payment, or if maybe you have somebody who could co-sign for you, then that's great. Unfortunately, I didn't have a co-signer, so, which I'm happy, because all my credit will report right back to me, and that's the way that I would like it anyway. But yeah, if you're looking to get a car, maybe you don't have that down payment, you could get a co-signer, and your payments might be a little lower depending on if your co-signer has some really good credit. Then that's perfect for you. But yeah. Okay guys, so hey, I forgot to mention something to you guys, and I wanted to tell you guys where I bought my car. I did not buy it from a Subaru dealership, which is super crazy. I bought it from a Honda dealership. The place that I bought it from here in Mesa is called Superstition Honda, and they are amazing people and super awesome with customer service. The guy that helped me with my car is named Jeremy, so he's really good for finding the car that you like. And yeah, so if you guys are looking to buy a Honda, then this would be the place to buy a Honda. Unfortunately, my car was a trade-in, so they don't have like a lot of Subarus on the lot. It's like really rare that they get Subarus in on their lot, so I was just really lucky that day. I was scrolling through online for cars, and I found that Subaru. It really caught my eye, which is really crazy. Also, is another thing is I thought it was a different shade of blue, and so that's one of the reasons why I really wanted the Subaru, is because I thought it was like a shade lighter. It actually is really dark, and so yeah, it definitely threw me off. In the pictures, maybe that their filter, maybe they had like a filter or something on the car, possibly, maybe, not for sure. But anyway, either way, I love the car. It's amazing, beautiful, and I can't complain because I love it so much. But yeah, I did thought it was like a shade lighter, but anyway, it is amazing. So yeah, definitely if you're looking for a Honda, then Superstition Honda is the place to get one. But yeah, if you're looking for a Subaru, they're all over online. You can find great deals. But yeah, guys, hey, thank you. Anyway, guys, just wanted to inform you all about buying and building your credit fast. So hey guys, thanks for coming and joining this video, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys till next time. So au revoir and merci beaucoup.